Hello all! I'm gonna do an unboxing of my Barrow lens from the site barrowlens.com. I was recommended by my sister to rent a lens since I need a lens for this weekend, and I was so worried because I was like, well, my regular lens, the 18 by 55 mm, I don't think it's suitable for my photography shoot this weekend with my in-laws. So I was so worried that I might not have something, but I did go on to the website barrowlens.com, and it is my first time having to rent something out from them. So my sister had this experience before, and she was very pleased with it, so I decided to go ahead and do the rental of a lens. I rented out this lens for 4 days, and it's the 50 mm. It's a Sigma 50 mm, and it's supposedly really good for photography, and it's very, like, it's not really high tech, like all that great. I mean, like, it's not like one of the highest lens out there or most expensive, but I'm pretty sure it'll do. So I heard really good reviews about the lens as well, so that's the reason why I decided to go with this lens. So yeah, so here's a package. I just received it. It took only 2 days just to get here. I made my order on, I believe it was on Tuesday, and today's Thursday, so I got it on time, and I'm so happy right now. So I'm gonna open this up, and it comes in a square box like this, cute box, and I'm gonna open this up, and let's see. Again, this is renting the lens out, so you know, this is not a purchase. I'm just renting it out, and I want to do a review on this because I think that this is such a great way to, you know, just not have to buy such an expensive lens if you're not even going to use it for like all the time, or if you don't have the money to buy a very expensive lens. This is a great way to this is definitely a great way to do it. So yes, I'm going to open it up, and I believe this is the same box that will be going out too. So once I open this up, this is going to be the same box. I'm going to be shipping it back, and my sister told me that it will have directions and such to tell you what needs to be done. So opening it up, it has a foam on top, which is great. That's good. It's pretty thick too. Comes with this foam. It has the paper here. Barrow lenses. Look inside for your invoice and return label. Thank you for ordering, and it has the return date, 10/24, that I need to return it. Also has, you know, the email address, phone number if you need any help, and then it has, it's kind of like a little envelope, and it has all your info here, which is the ship return prepaid label right here. And then it has, oh, focus on your next project. If it get $25 off your next rental. Nice. And also it has just your billing information and such. So this is neat. I'm glad that they have this in here and, you know, all ready for me. Okay, then here is the magic. It's one lens. I only got one. So, yeah, I mean, the foam is all, there's also another part of foam here for protection, I believe. And here's the lens. I'm excited. Okay, so the lens comes in a Ziploc bag. Oh, it looks like it was not zipped, but it's okay. And here's the lens inside. Just gonna take it out. And this is the lens. It is the STM Canon EF lens 50 mm, and I'm so excited to try this out. I heard so many things about this lens and I'm so excited. I felt like I needed to just purchase it and just have one instead of just using my basic one, my 18 by 55 mm. But I was like, you know, I'm just gonna rent it out and try it out. And then if I really do feel like, yeah, you know what, it's gonna work out, then I'll buy it. But for now, I'm just renting it out, and I really love the packaging that they put together. I think it is definitely a great way to protect your lens and anything that's in here. They have all of my information, billing, prepaid labels, everything in there. You know, it's in big fonts. It will show you, like, you know, when you need to return it, and even on the website it definitely helps out you out a lot too. If you have any questions, they have a lot of answers on their website. So yeah, I mean, I will definitely you know, borrow lenses from this site again if everything, you know, goes fine. I'm pretty sure I'll do another review as well if I do end up having to borrow another lens for a different photography or anything like that. I think I will have to do this again. But yeah, this is definitely a great way, and yeah, you know, I'll let you guys know too as well how my experience went after I send these lenses back. You know, how long did it take to get back or such. But so far though, just saying that so far it's going great because I received the package on time, and 2 days. It only took 2 days. I received it on time, and you do have to be home to sign the box when it comes in. So keep that in mind. I was looking at the order, like, to see where it went and where it is, and it kept saying, you know, you'll receive it at the end of the day. But right now it's 12. And I received it an hour ago, like at 11. So, you know what? It wasn't the end of the day, but I'm glad I received it right now so I could actually test it out and before the weekend starts. So I'm excited, and I can't wait to use it. So thank you, Borrow Lenses, for this lens for me to use, and I'll let you guys know how it went too as well. Like I said, I'll probably do like a small review of how it went and everything like that, and making sure that, you know, when you send it back in, it gets received on time and that everything goes well, and how they notify you as well. So yeah, that's it, and maybe I'll show a few pictures and such like that with, you know, how the photography went and things like that, okay? Alright, bye!